pizza in Dr. Beetroot Ketchup. Another good example of using Dr. Beetroot Ketchup would be with food items, such as a margarita pizza, and of course, the beetroot ketchup. Order a margarita pizza from your favorite pizza place. Use the ketchup as a dipping sauce, and it would definitely give you a unique taste. So, feel free to enjoy. English muffin in Dr. Beetroot Ketchup. English muffin is one of the most popular hot breakfasts amongst Canadian citizens. Great recipes require great ingredients, and here's how to make it. A tasty, yummy English muffin. All you need is a cheese slice, an egg patty, muffin bread. Bake it in an oven accordingly, and add Dr. Beetroot Ketchup. On your bread, of course. Enjoy your muffin. Dr. Beetroot powder and vanilla ice cream. Adding Dr. Beetroot powder and vanilla ice cream would also be a great idea. I mean, who says you can't make your ice cream healthy, right? You can add your Dr. Beetroot powder as a topping, just to add a little bit more flavor than needed. I mean, who wants a basic vanilla ice cream, right? So yeah, you can get your ice cream anywhere from any superstore and enjoy that spoon of luscious delight. Dr. Beetroot powder smoothie. All you need is a kiwi, an apple, a banana, and of course, a teaspoon of beetroot powder. And don't forget to add some coconut water or milk. Or if you don't like milk, you can add almond milk or soya milk, whatever pleases your desires. When mixing all these beautiful ingredients together, don't forget to blend in your lovely blender and enjoy your lovely drink. I mean, we are drinking something very completely different. And who says you cannot drink a beetroot powdered smoothie? There's so many combinations out there. Why not try this one? So take a shot. Don't hesitate. And tell me how you feel about it. In the end, you'll be more energized, revived, and thankful you drank some beetroot powder smoothie. Dr. Beetroot paste and pasta. Add some oil on your pan until burning hot. When ready, put some onions in there. Make sure you put enough onions, or as much as you desire. Cook it until it's fully brown, and toss it around. Make sure you keep on tossing it until it's fully cooked. You don't want to have any uncooked onions, do you? Then add some chili flakes here and there. You can put a little bit, or you can put a lot. But this guy over here, you put a lot. He wanted some extra spice. When done, add some sriracha sauce because chili flakes is not enough spicy, isn't it? Add a lot because this guy loves some spicy food until your tongue burns out. When done, add some masala magic. It's technically an Indian spice. You don't have to add it, but if you want that little flavor here and there, it wouldn't hurt much, would it? When done, add a little salt because spices are not enough. We need to add more salt. And finally, add your lovely paste of Dr. Beetroot. Put enough so it can feel healthy enough and tasty. But don't put too much like this guy did. In my personal opinion, a little goes a long way. When done, put it and mix it with already cooked pasta and serve it on a delicious plate. And just enjoy that savory, tasty, luscious pasta. Poutine with Dr. Beetroot sauce. Poutine is a highly popular food item for food lovers, not only in Canada but also in the States. Adding Dr. Beetroot sauce in poutine would totally bring a new flavor to your poutine. It could also be very healthy for your poutine and you. So, enjoy. Dr. Beetroot chips and salad. Take any salad of your liking with any nutrients you want. When you're done, make sure to crumble and scrumble and deteriorate the chips and put it in your salad. I mean, make sure your chips is properly distributed in the salad. Once mixing all those delicious ingredients together, toss it around in that luscious bowl. When done, put it on a plate and enjoy your meal. You can eat it anytime, anywhere, and everywhere. Make sure you enjoy it and with a smile on your face. Dr. Beetroot chips and omelette. Make sure to open up the little package that you got over there. Take some beetroot chips and crush it, murder it in your hands. Make sure the beetroot chips are thin enough to mix with your lovely eggs. Crush it until it's small. Then open up or crack up a beautiful egg. Put it in a cup, because that's what you do. Take another egg, crack it up, and open it. When done, put some lovely crushed beetroot chips and that uncooked egg mixture. And put it in gently. Make sure not to make a mess. When done, take a spoon and some spices. I don't know what spice this is, but he's putting it in. Put any of your kind. And put another sauce, because, sauces aren't enough. And another one. Now he's done. But wait. He needs to add salt. Now take that beautiful cup. Hold it in your hands. Take a spoon and mix it. Mix it good, mix it hard. Make sure everything is mixed. With all the spices, the sauces, the chips, the eggs, the salt, everything. Mix it until you know that the yolk turned purple. Or pink. Take a pan, put some oil on it, and when it's hot enough, you put the omelette on the pan. But before doing that, make sure it's good on both sides. Now put it on the pan. Let it spread out. Let it flow. And then you will see your lovely egg cooking. I've never seen such a beautiful, colorful egg. Who said that you cannot have a purple egg before? Well, now I know the secret. Spread it evenly across the pan, like this guy's doing. Cook until you think it's even or cooked enough. You can tell the color's changing. But it's not done yet. Now is it? Keep spreading it. Make sure the beetroot chips are all over the place. Keep it on the stove, because you need the heat to cook it. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. To be exact, 1 minute. Fun fact. Americans and Canadians love eating omelets compared to other countries. It's a very traditional breakfast that many North Americans will eat. Now, take a look at the sizzling omelet that is cooking in front of you. Make sure to cover your oils, because you don't want to spill any oil anywhere. We're still waiting for the omelet to cook. Now it's officially done. Make sure you test it before taking it off your pan. It comes off nice, flip it around and turn it. It looks good, it looks golden, not burnt, but golden. Now cook the other side to make sure that's evenly, properly, healthily, if that's a word, cooked. Keep spreading it around. Make sure that every side, every angle, every nick, every croony, or any other place is cooked. It seems it is cooked. Now, it's time to take it off the pan and put it on the plate. And wow, look at that delicious omelet. Don't tell me you don't want to eat it right now. Very yummy. Enjoy.